Hello children, today in our class we will discuss about the soil erosion and degradation of soil. In the previous class we discussed about the soil and in that types of soils, the factors of formation that elements we used or the nature used in the formation of the soil. In today's class, we will discuss about degradation of soil. First, the degradation of soil. The degradation of the soil means how soil erodes and depletes. As you know that behind that the natural factor and the human factor both are the reason behind that soil erosion and soil depletion. The mostly in the nature, the wind, the water, the ice maker, that those are the elements or those are the factors who made the soil erosion and depleting. And in the factors of that humans, deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers or pesticides, rainwash, and then in the nature landslides, floods. So those are the reason in that natural. If we talk about natural, then landslides, floods, wind, water, rainwash. These are the natural reasons behind the degradation of the soil. But human made reasons are there: deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers or pesticides. So these are the factors those made the degradation of soil. Degradation means erosion and depleting. डिग्रेशन सॉइल का क्या कहते हैं उसको डिग्रेड होना. डिग्रेड मीन्स उसकी जो फर्टिलिटी है वो कम होना. हाउ कैन इट हैपन? इरोजन एंड डिप्लेटिंग. Two words are there, and behind that there are two types of reasons: natural reasons and human made. In the natural, landslides, floods, wind, water, rainwash, all that types of etc. All these types of reasons are natural that made the degradation of soil. And human made: deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, etc. So these are the reasons behind that made by the humans. So how this we degrade our soil? Next, our point is that after the degradation of soil, we cannot grow crops or we do not find the product of that agriculture in that quantity, in that quality. Our quantity and quality will reduce after the degradation of the soil. फॉर सपोज एग्जाम्पल ले लो कि हम एक फील्ड में 50 क्विंटल राइस गेन कर रहे हैं, अब उसकी जो फर्टिलिटी है, फर्टाइल जो सॉइल है वहां से डिग्रेड हो गई, देन वी विल गेट ओनली 20 क्विंटल राइस. दैट्स द reason that we have to study about the soil erosion, and then how can, after the erosion or degradation of the soil, how can we conservation of soil, conservation of soil. That's why it is important that we have to discuss about the conservation of soil. So in the previous class we discussed that 2 points. In that the first one is afforestation. First point is afforestation. Afforestation means planting more trees. That's why we are cutting the plants in lot of quantity. We are using the furniture made by the wood, and for that wood we are cutting the plants more and more. As the human needs is growing, that then the cutting of demand of trees also growing. That's why we have to plant more trees. Planting more trees, then that's how we can conserve our soil. So for the conservation of soil, trees are important, because the roots of that trees will hold firmly the soil, and it will not erode. So that's why we have to plant more trees. Afforestation. And second one is mulching. The second one we discussed that mulching. Have you heard about this word mulching? Mulching is that the bare ground between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw. It helps us to retain soil moisture. Now in the mulching, what happened? The bare ground. Bare means empty ground. Bare means खाली या बिल्कुल साफ एकदम. Bare ground between the bare ground where between the trees or plants, between the plants, crops, anything, plants, crops, on the bare ground between the plants or crops covered with a layer of grasses or organic matter like straw. अब यहाँ पर हम इसको mulching में क्या होता है, एक कोई भी bare ग्राउंड, खाली ग्राउंड है, और वो ग्राउंड कहाँ पर है, बिटवीन द क्रॉप्स और द प्लांट्स, ट्रीज, जो ट्रीज है या प्लांट्स है उसके बीच में हो खाली, और या फिर क्रॉप्स हो रही है वहां पर, इधर भी क्रॉप है इधर भी क्रॉप है, बीच में उसको कवर कर दिया, दैट लेयर ऑफ ग्रासेस और layer of organic matter like straws. So with that it helps us to retain soil moisture, and this one, straw and grasses will retain the soil moisture of that soil, moisture of that soil. Next one, the number 3 in that conservation, number 3 is contour barriers. contour barriers. With that meaning of contour word की मीनिंग के साथ में हम बढ़ेंगे कि कंटोर वर्ड की मीनिंग क्या होती है. कंटोर वर्ड की मीनिंग होती है यू हैव टू पुट स्टोन्स ऑन अ लाइन on a or build something like that to make that surface hard. That is contour. Now contour barriers means, as you know, the barriers on the way you are going somewhere and on the road there is a tree fallen down, that is the barrier. अब barrier क्या होता है, जैसे आप कहीं पर जा रहे हो, चौकी है तो उसमें पुलिस वालों ने वहां पर बैरियर लगा रखा है. यू कांट गो थ्रू दैट. You have to remove the barrier first. Then, as you know that on the toll tax there are barriers. We have to pay the tax before we go. So we have to pay the tax. Then you can go through the barriers. So contour barriers. In that stone, grasses, soil are used to build barriers along contours. Now in that, what uses stones, soil, grass are used to build barrier on contour. Along contour. Okay. So with that we build a barrier contour, and that will hold. And on that, after that, trenches are made in front of the barriers to collect water. Now after this one, after building the barrier with contour, the trenches are built to hold the water in front of barriers to collect water. Trenches are built to collect water. Where the trenches are built? In front of that trenches are built to collect water. अब यहाँ पर इसको कहते हैं contour barriers. पहले contour बैरियर बनाया जाता है कंटोर पे, फिर वहां पर ट्रेंचेस बनाई जाती है और वो कहलाती है कंटोर बैरियर्स. नंबर 4, नेक्स्ट वन इज रॉक डैम. In that rocks are piled up to slow down the flow of water. This prevents gullies and further soil loss. So in this, rocks are piled up. Rocks are piled up to control the flow of water. Okay. With this, rocks are piles up to control the flow. जो फ्लो होता है वाटर का, उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए वहां पर रॉक्स पाइल्स अप की जाती है, जिससे कि जो वाटर का फ्लो है वो स्लो डाउन हो जाए. वो क्या हो जाए? स्लो डाउन. एंड विद दैट, अगर वाटर ही स्लो डाउन हो गया, देन इट विल प्रिवेंट द गुलीज एंड द लॉस ऑफ सॉइल. Next one is terrace farming. As you know that farming is a good related word to you. Farm karna, farming. So terrace farming, broad flat strips or terraces are made on the steep slope, so that the flat surface are available to grow crops. Now the definition of that, broad flat steps. Now what we have to do in this one? Broad flat step. broad flat step or steps or trenches are built or made are built on the steep slope steep slope so that the flat surface are available so that the flat surface are available for farming ओके नाउ टेरेस फार्मिंग में होता क्या है टेरेस फार्मिंग में होता ये है कि वहां पर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल द माउंटेन एरिया वेयर द माउंटेन एरिया लाइक दिस वन द हाई एरिया फ्रॉम द अर्थ सरफेस यहाँ पर जैसे ये हाई एरिया है अब यहाँ पर किसी को एग्रीकल्चर करना है या फार्मिंग करनी है ओके हाई एरिया पे फार्मिंग करनी है देन how he will farm there or how they will farm there so first they have to reduce this one is the slope how it is steep slope कैसे ये steep slope है ठीक है अब यहाँ पर उसको फार्मिंग करनी है एग्रीकल्चर करना है they have to grow crops here then what will they do they will reduce the slope that slope is steep now they will reduce the slope how they will build like this one okay now some of that slope is now the surface of that slope is now flat how it is flat अब इसकी कुछ भाग है वो वहां पर फ्लैट हो गया है now that flat surface can use for the farming so that's how that terrace farming is built up जो टेरेस फार्मिंग होती है उसको हम ऐसे बिल्डअप कर सकते हैं नेक्स्ट वन इज इंटरक्रॉपिंग intercropping in that intercropping intercropping means different crops are grown in alternate row now intercropping means different types of crops are growing in or to the alternate row in alternate row alternate rows now in the intercropping means different types of crops are growing अब यहाँ पर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल रो बनी हुई है there are rows अब यहाँ पर है ना क्या करते हैं कि यहाँ पर जैसे इस रो में हमने राइस कर लिया ठीक है यहाँ पर मेज कर लिया ठीक है यहाँ पर वापस राइस कर लिया यहाँ पर मेज कर लिया डिफरेंट हो गया ना वन रो इज ऑफ राइस वन इज मेज राइस मेज फॉर एग्जांपल वी कैन ग्रो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ नॉट राइस एंड मेज डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप्स इन द अल्टरनेट रो so that's how we can stop the soil erosion that's how we can stop the and in that and also different types of and those seeds are also sown in at different times to protect the soil from rain wash इसमें हम rain wash के समय different टाइम्स में भी इसको सोन कर सकते हैं मैनी सीड्स को. ओके, सो दैट इज द इंटरक्रॉपिंग. Different type of crops are growing in alternate rows. Next one is contour plugging. We discussed about the contour barriers. Now contour plugging. Now first we build the contour barriers along with the contour, and we made the trenches also there. With that, plugging parallel to the contours of a hill slope to form a natural barrier for water to flow down the slope. अब यहाँ पर कंट्रोल प्लगिंग है, उसमें हम करते क्या है कि कंट्रोल प्लगिंग करते हैं पैरेलल टू द कंट्रोल्स ऑफ अ हिल स्लोप. जो हिल स्लोप होती है उसके पैरेलल हम कंट्रोल प्लगिंग, उसके जो कंट्रोल होती है पैरेलल, उस पे हम पैरेलल प्लगिंग करते हैं, खेती करते हैं. और वैसे ही वो होती है कि उसमें हम स्टॉप कर सकते हैं, नेचुरल बैरियर बना देते हैं वाटर के फ्लो डाउन के लिए. प्लगिंग पैरेलल टू द कंट्रोल्स. इन दिस प्लगिंग पैरेलल टू द प्लगिंग पैरेलल sorry parallel to the contour. Plugging parallel to the contour of a hill steep or slope to form a natural slope to form a natural barrier. Natural barrier of what? Natural barrier of water flow down. Water फ्लो डाउन, नेचुरल बैरियर बन जाता है टू फ्लो डाउन द स्लोप. उस स्लोप पे जो वाटर स्पीड से आता है, उस स्पीड को कम करने के लिए वहां पर प्लगिंग करती है, उसके पैरेलल प्लगिंग करती है. जो कंट्रोल थे उसके पैरेलल में वहां पर प्लगिंग. पहले हमने कंट्रोल पे क्या कर दिया, वहां पर ट्रेंचेस बना दी कि उसमें वाटर है वो कलेक्ट हो जाए. अब उसमें वहां पर उसके पैरेलल में प्लगिंग भी कर दी, तो कि वो जो वाटर जो और फ्लो डाउन हो रहा था देन वो उसकी स्पीड को रिड्यूस करते हैं और उसमें सोइल इरोजन को बंद करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज आफ्टर कंट्रोल प्लगिंग. नेक्स्ट वन इज शेल्टर बेल्ट्स. As you can see in your notebook, in your book, textbooks, there is a picture is given of shelter belts. Shelter belts is that it used in the coastal or dry regions, coastal area or dry area. Rows of trees are planted to check the wind movement to protect the soil cover. In this, rows of trees are planted. Rows of trees are planted to check. Rows of trees are planted to check the wind movement. Check the wind movement to cover soil erosion. Where? In mostly coastal or dry region or dry areas. Coastal or dry regions or dry areas. So this is it. These are the way we can conserve our soil. For the activity, we can make we can see that soil conserve our soil with an activity. In that activity, you have to, and you can do it this one activity at your home. You have to take two plates, two same plates, same in size. Now you have to make holes, 5 or 6 holes at one side of that plate. Okay, now you have to fill it with the soil, both in the same quantity of soil. Then one plate you have to put it on the bare mode, उसको ऐसे ही रख देना है. Then second one, you have to put some seeds like wheat seeds. अब गेहूं के दाने भी उसमें डाल दो और उसको थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चर कर दो. ठीक है. Then after when the seed grow, then you have to check that you have to put water on both of them, or you can collect that water in one glass or anything that you have to when you will collect that water, then you will see that on from which plate the soil erosion is more or from which plate is less. That's how you can find the difference between, or you can find that how can we conserve our soil or how the soil is erosion. That's it for today. Note down all points in your notebook.